Hi, I'm Lydia Lundquist. I'm a sophomore biology and exercise science double major on the pre-med route. I live in Kansas City, Missouri with my two parents, Chad and Stephanie, my 14-year-old brother named Jeremiah, and of course my two dogs. I have a Pomeranian named Leo and a Golden Doodle named Lexi. I currently work at Sheridan's Frozen Custard, where I work around 10 hours a week. I volunteer at a hospice called Crossroads Hospice in both their Gladstone and their Independence locations, and there I usually do some office work, but my favorite service to do for them is visiting patients. I also volunteer with American Red Cross, where I'm an ambassador for blood drives around the Kansas City area. I have a very busy summer. I'm taking two other online courses. But I also get to visit my best friend who lives in Biarritz, France, which is southwest of France, for a couple of weeks. And then after that, I'm going to Florida to visit my mom's side of the family, where we'll be staying on an island. So I'm very excited to see how the summer goes.